To send money from TapTap Send to Easypaisa, start by downloading and installing the TapTap Send app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing the required information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Verify your account by following the instructions sent to you via email or SMS. Next, add your debit or credit card to the app by navigating to the Payment Methods section. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Confirm that the information is correct and save the card as a payment method. Now, select the Send Money option and choose Pakistan as the recipient country. Enter the recipient's Easypaisa mobile number and the amount you want to send in the local currency. Review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Before completing the transaction, ensure that the recipient has an active Easypaisa account and that the mobile number is correct. The recipient will receive the money in their Easypaisa account, which can be used to pay bills, buy airtime, or withdraw cash from an ATM. To complete the transaction, confirm the details and authorize the payment. The money will be sent to the recipient's Easypaisa account, and you will receive a confirmation message. Keep a record of the transaction, including the transaction ID and the amount sent, for future reference. It is essential to note that TapTap Send and Easypaisa have certain limits and restrictions on transactions, such as daily and monthly limits. Additionally, there may be fees associated with sending money, including transaction fees and exchange rate fees. Always check the current rates and fees before initiating a transaction. By following these steps, you can easily send money from TapTap Send to Easypaisa, providing a convenient and secure way to transfer funds to friends and family in Pakistan.